Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am in download driver Lexmark. This here for the serial. You type here the driver download, and this why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. You click here. Swipe the website loading. This here for the printer. You scroll down. This here for the title support. Click here for the title and it's here for the loading. This here for the title driver and download. Click here for the title and this here for search the face model automatic euro print and this here for the tag automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Windows 11 or the CentOS or the Linux, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system, and this here for driver recommended for you, and this here for driver support printer and scanner. If you need download, click here for your button start download package, and this here for your support all operating system version. This here for the Windows 11, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows 10. This here for new version for the Windows 11. If you need download, click here for button start download, and this here for you will try for download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and press white finish driver load. If you finish driver load, you double click here. You double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.